Hey guys, I'm back with yet another Christmas related video. So last year in a previous video titled Making My Own Christmas Ornaments, I made a colorful snowflake ornament and really liked how it turned out. I've really enjoyed the creative freedom of making fun and colorful ornaments. So I decided I wanted to make more this year. I started by making 2D sketches of the snowflake motifs in Fusion 360. I'm low-key obsessed with floral medallion patterns found in Persian carpets, as well as Middle Eastern, Eastern European, and Asian textiles. I used to sketch medallion and paisley patterns almost every day when I worked in a Persian carpet shop, which was pretty therapeutic. And that's basically where the inspiration for the snowflake designs come from. Once I had the 2D sketch finalized, I extruded the profiles from the sketch. I wanted to give each snowflake a 3D wooden carving type element. To achieve this, I created a 2D sketch of the base of the element and then a 3D sketch of the body of the element that lined up with the 2D sketch. Then from there, I toggled to the Surface tab and created patches for each face of the element. I then stitched each face together to make a solid model. Once I was happy with the snowflake designs, I added colors to the faces to represent how they would show in the final print. I imported the models into Prusa Slicer and used the color print feature to add pauses into the print. I then took screenshots of each color print from the top and the side so that I could number each layer and then assign each layer a color. Otherwise, I would definitely forget which color to load next when it came time to change filaments. Doing a multicolored print this way is actually pretty labor intensive. For one of the snowflakes, I had to change the filament up to 12 times. I can definitely see why people buy fancy multi-material printers like the Bamboo Lab printers. I printed each snowflake design twice so that I could stick the two pieces together with the ribbon neatly glued into the groove that I added in the back. really like how these snowflakes came out. Maybe they don't really look like snowflakes and they look more like ornate stars, but I still think they look cool on a Christmas tree. I will be selling these snowflakes on my Etsy store, so if you're interested in buying one, please check out the link to my store in the description. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you're having a lovely holiday season so far. If you liked what you saw, please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!